Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save money on Clarks with DealSeek. So if you want to save money on Clarks with DealSeek, firstly open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top there's this address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of this DealSeek, in the top right corner there's this search. Simply select search and type down Clarks. Then you need to enter it. But you can also be specific about the Clark's shoes, women's shoes, boots, Clark, or the Clark sandals. And after that, what you can do is you can use the filters in the top right corner here. Select this filters here. And in the left hand side, you can also manage for the price range for yourself. You can go to this minimum discount here on the bottom. And you can select for the minimum discount. You can use the promo codes only, coupon, lighting deal as well. And you can also sort by the newest or the featured in the top here. And to see the latest offers, DealSeek lets you search by brand, product, and category with deals updated throughout the day. And you can also check the deal details. Simply select one of the product and confirm whether a promo code is required, check the expiration date, review any minimum purchase or shipping requirement. And you need to compare the multiple offers. If several retailers are selling the same Clarks item, compare the final price after discounts, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.